Okay, so here we are at one of my more favorite builds here in Kitchener. This particular client had a few needs that he wanted for functionality of his room and also access to his backyard. So between the customer and myself, we were able to come up with a design that were able to meet the needs of exactly what he was looking for. So what we have here is we have a side mount on the side of a house surrounded with glass, but still giving him access fully from his garage to his backyard, back and forth. Because he has a smaller walkway on the side of the house, he wasn't able to take his lawnmower or snowblower to the front of the house. So because of this design, he has a shed in the backyard. He can literally just open up the glass wall and go right through his garage, right to the front of his house. We have an acrylic roof because again, this particular spot gets a lot of sun, so he wanted to be able to be out of the sun. And having glass walls movable all the way around, he can open up this space and have a patio cover, and they're able to use this room essentially 365 days of the year. It's a fantastic build, went together very nicely. The customer is more than happy with how this has turned out, and yeah, it's been a good experience.